In view of the possibility of the third wave of coronavirus, a testing lab in Delhi has come up with the innovative idea of a testing van. The van is designed in such a way that if the children has to undergo through a RT-PCR test, then they does not have any sort of fear. Have a look. In view of the possibility of a third wave of coronavirus, a testing lab in Delhi named by Star Imaging and Path Lab has come up with a new and innovative idea of a testing van for the younger children who can come in this particular van and give their samples of the RT-PCR. As you can see here on the spot, these kids are here who have gathered here to give their RT-PCR test. They will enter in this van and will give their RT-PCR test very safely. It's a very innovative idea by this lab. They have put the toys in it, they have put the video games in it, so that children does not have any fear while giving the RT-PCR test. We are joined by Sameer Bhati, who is the director of the Path Lab. Sir, please tell us something more about this particular innovative idea, how you conceive this idea.
So during second wave, we have observed there are number of children also infected by the COVID-19. What we have observed that parents were little anxious while bringing their child to COVID testing place. And children were also a little scary while giving their swab samples. And we know that second wave was very deadly because of the Delta variant, and now we are expecting the third wave, and we are talking about the Delta plus variant as well. And apart from that, we all know that our children are not vaccinated yet. So keeping all these circumstances in mind, we have developed this van, and as you have seen, they are attractive toys. We have kept the toys and everything inside, and we have kept all the, we have ensured all the ICMR and biomedical waste guidelines.
So, kids are coming to you. What is the response? Our parents are satisfied as this van is roaming in Delhi?
Yes. The best part is we can send the cab to their place as well.
Okay.
So it's little, difficult for parents to bring the child here. So we can send it to Delhi and NCR and other nearby places. And we can do RT-PCR, rapid antigen, and the antibody test as well. So we can use this van for zero survey purpose as well.
Okay. If you can just talk about with these kids. आपने टेस्ट कराया, आपको कैसा लगा? आपको सेफ फील हुआ? डर लगा?
नहीं।
आपको डर नहीं लगा इस वैन में?
नहीं।
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपका? मतलब आप जब वैन में गए, आपने अपना टेस्ट कराया, आपको कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा। आप बताओ, आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे को पहले बहुत डर लग रहा था। जब मैं गया, मम्मी को बोल रही थी आप जाओ अंदर, आपको मजा आएगा। फिर जब टेस्ट लिया सबने तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आपको डर नहीं लगा?
नहीं।
तो आप दूसरे बच्चे जो भी इन्फेक्ट हो जाते हैं उनको आप ये रेफर करोगे कि ये वैन में जाके टेस्ट करा सकते हैं?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छी है।
Okay. As you can see that all the hygienic activities are there. They are taking the proper measures given by the health ministries. Stay home, stay safe is the idea, and it's a COVID-19 testing van which is designed by Star Path Lab in Delhi. And this van is, has come up with a very innovative ideas. They are keeping the toys, the video game, and all the cleanliness measures are being taken, and all the COVID protocols are being followed in this particular van. And kids also seems to be very happy and does not have any fear in their heart or in their mind.